David, a blue wave means for a lot of people short and cover whenever election night really ends, because there's a lot of stocks in a blue wave that would be crimped or despised by a hijack of the far left.
Which you mentioned that on Squawk. So is that your new thing? Are you concerned about that?
Yes. Have to be.
Okay. A hijack by the far left.
Well, that
sounds like the language of the Republicans.
No, it's a narrative. It's not. Look, David, it's a narrative. You're going to hear. I go with what I'm going to hear all day from people, and they're going to say, "Well, it's hijacked by the far left." I mean,
is that going to happen right away, or is it going to take?
We don't know, because who knows when we've got the election counted. But you short the managed care stocks into a blue wave. The managed care stocks then drop 10%, and you buy the managed care stocks, leading with Centene and maybe United Health. There, I gave you your game plan. David, Pfizer goes down to 32 ahead of the election, drops to 31.5. People think they've made a lot of money. You buy Pfizer. This is what you do. All right? I just gave it to you.
Okay.
You can go do your thing. I don't know.
Whatever thing is that
you're doing. I don't know. Tiffany.
Nobody
you can go
knows.
do Tiffany.
I'll go do the Tiffany and the other, whatever that.
But I've just given you how to make real money in this market.
Real money. Thank you. I'm going to watch for that hijacking. Scary. By the way, we don't even have a clue how the election's going to actually turn out, Jim. There's plenty of people, despite the polls, who believe that that Trump's going to win.
Well, I'm saying that the current zeitgeist is to bet blue wave. I've learned enough. Carl, what did I learn in 2016? You don't know what you're talking about if you're predicting, particularly because the way to get hold of voters when you're polling is gone. I mean, it's just not like you dial the home number anymore.
Yeah, I mean, J.P. Morgan had a note yesterday talking not about blue wave or no blue wave, but whether it's a light blue wave or a dark blue wave. Ooh. And part of their point, Jim, was that undecideds at this point are 3%. In 2016, it was 11% at this stage. It's the lowest number since the 40s. So Joyce Chang's desk, I mean, their argument is that the polls are not going to be any worse of a predictor than they were 4 years ago.
Well, it's cerulean blue.
Kind of like our blues. We have very pretty blues.
But I think that there's a whole other cohort of people who say, come Tuesday night, a bunch of us will stay late, and it really won't mean anything because Pennsylvania just got permission to vote whenever the hell it wants to. And Pennsylvania is obviously the key state.
Whenever the hell it wants to?
Well, I mean, didn't you see the Supreme Court ruling?
I did. I believe, though, everything has got to actually be postmarked prior to Election Day.
Well, but there's a kind of a more leeway than we've ever had.
Did you have a bunch of conversations this morning with some of your friends over in D.C.?
I always talk to people in D.C.
All right.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.